If you're looking to offer corporate training with your course platform, this video will show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. By the end, you'll know how to turn your course platform into a go-to resource for businesses looking to train their teams. Stick around because I'll also share a special exclusive offer that will help you get started. First, let's talk about the main setup. To offer corporate training, you need a platform that allows you to customize your content, manage multiple users, and track progress. The software we're using in this tutorial provides all these features, making it the perfect tool for creating a professional training environment. Start by setting up your course content. You'll want to design courses that are structured for corporate environments. This could mean breaking your content into modules or adding quizzes, certificates, and other features that will help employees engage and learn. Make sure the course material is scalable for large teams. This is a must if you're offering corporate training. Next, add multi-user support. Businesses often need multiple people to access the same course content, but with different levels of access. You'll want to create corporate training packages that include user roles. With this feature, HR teams can manage users, assign training, and track progress all in one place. It's a real time saver and keeps everything organized. Then don't forget about branding. For corporate clients, offering a customized experience is key. Look for a platform that allows you to add company branding and personalize the learning experience. This gives businesses the flexibility to make the platform feel like their own, which is important for user buy-in. When it comes to tracking progress, choose software that includes detailed analytics. Corporate clients need to be able to see how their employees are performing. This could include tracking completed modules, test scores, and overall course completion. Analytics will help businesses understand how well their teams are doing and where they may need extra training. Now, one of the most important things to keep in mind is scalability. Corporate clients will want to know that your platform can grow with their needs. Whether they're starting with 5 employees or scaling up to 500, your course platform should be able to handle the growth without a hitch. Our recommended software makes scaling effortless, ensuring that it can accommodate businesses of any size. Also, consider offering certification. Many businesses use training programs as a way to ensure their employees meet specific standards. Offering certificates upon course completion adds extra value to your corporate training package, making it a great selling point for businesses. Finally, make your platform easy to use. If it's too complicated, businesses won't adopt it and employees will disengage. The software we're using in this tutorial is intuitive, which ensures that both the business and the learners can focus on training instead of getting bogged down by technology. So, what's the key takeaway from this video? Offering corporate training with your course platform is all about setting up scalable, trackable, and customizable content that meets the specific needs of businesses. From easy user management to detailed analytics and customizable branding, make sure your platform can handle everything a business will need. To quickly recap, first, set up customizable course content, then create multi-user roles to manage teams. Make sure your platform allows for branding and includes detailed analytics. Focus on scalability and ease of use, and remember that certification adds extra value. And don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial for our software in the description below. If you want to follow along and create your own corporate training platform, the trial is a great way to get started. Thanks for watching.